flash an error code. And the only way to get rid of that is to power cycle the boiler and restart it. But we're going to make sure that the hot surface igniter is within proper range, and because it maybe the hot surface igniter is not doing what it's supposed to. But other than that, and the customer also said they replaced the flame sensor already, which indicates that it's new, and also said that the hot surface igniter was replaced, but I see like dirt and dust on that cabling, so I don't know how valid that is. So grab the tool bag, grab the knee pad, and we'll figure this out. All right, so let's measure resistance of that hot surface igniter.